Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you today? I hope all are well and safe with your family. I'm Jubilant and I stay home. Dear students, today I want to play with you. I just show a game, okay? And at first I show, and later you one by one you apply this game with me, okay? Just I say my name, my favorite food, where I want to go, etc. And my name is Marcia Sultana. Marcia Sultana. I want to go Malaysia, and my favorite food Mulu Pulao. What about you?
I'm Raha. I want to visit Russia. My favorite food is roast and rice.
Very good. And you? You? Okay, thank you. Today, the students, thank you everybody, sit down. Today, what it is?
It is a flower.
Yes, I love it. It is my favorite color. Not only color, I also like its smell, scent. Okay? Can you guess to this topic?
Today's topic is smell.
Yes. Today we are going to discuss about unit lesson 6. Okay? Class 6, lesson 6, and page number 17. Okay? Lesson 6. And title, it smells. It smells good. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss with you about it smells good. এটার বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে
এটার গন্ধটা খুব দারুণ।
দারুণ, ভেরি গুড। এটার গন্ধটা খুব সুবাস দারুণ, তাই না? After this lesson, at the end of this lesson, students will be able to understand, ask and answer questions, then read and understand text and new words, and we make a sentence. Okay? At first, we learned some words. Okay? The students, stress. Stress. Synonym, tension. Okay? Stress. This word we make a sentence. Stress is a major problem of modern life. Okay? It is noun. Conversation, gossip. Your conversation is the mirror of your thoughts. Okay? Remember, recall. It is verb. Okay? Noun, and it is verb. I will always remember you. This is new words, stress, conversation, remember. Okay? Now, the students, please open your book, page 17, lesson 6. It smells good. Now I read these pages, okay? And I say its meaning. I tell you its meaning. It's Saturday. Aaj Shonibar. Amal's school is open. Amal's school khola, okay? But Friday and Saturday are Father's weekly holidays. কিন্তু শুক্রবার এবং শনিবার বাবার কি সাপ্তাহিক ছুটির দিন। Father sometimes loves to cook special dishes for everybody on Saturdays. কিন্তু বাবা মাঝে মধ্যে শুক্রবারে সবার জন্য বিশেষ খাবার রান্না করা পছন্দ করে। It's 2 o'clock time. এটা 2টা বেজে গেছে, 2টা বাজে। For Amal to come back from school. অমলের স্কুল থেকে ফিরে আসার সময় Mother is setting the table. Ma table গুছাচ্ছে. Amal's two younger sisters are playing in the living room. অমলের দুজন ছোট বোন তারা লিভিং রুমে বসার রুমে খেলাধুলা করছে. ওকে, দ্য ডোরবেল রিংস, ঘন্টা বাজছে. অমল কামস ইন, অমল আসলো. এখন এখানে আছে একটা ডায়লগ, এই ডায়লগটা আমরা পড়বো. তার আগে দেখো এখানে একটা পিকচার আছে. এই ছবিতে আমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছি? হোয়াট ইউ ক্যান সি?
A man with a little child.
Very good. Father Amal and Amaler father. Generally, who cook in your family?
My mom or sometimes my grandmother.
Grandmother, okay. Does your brother or father cook on holidays?
Sometimes.
Okay, very good. Amal's father said sometimes he likes cook special dishes for everybody. Okay, there are a dialogue. Okay, conversation. Amal and Amaler Baba. Okay, I read. Amal, hi mom, I'm back. Where's dad? Mom, in the kitchen. Today is Saturday, remember? Amal, right. Dad's cooking day. Hi dad, what are you cooking today? It smells good. Dad, it's murupula dear, your favorite dish. Amal, can I try some? Dad, no, you can't. You know the rule, don't you? Go and wash your hands first. Amal, please dad, I'm coming soon. Dad, okay, here is your dish. Amal, it tastes so delicious. Okay, dear students, look here, there is some questions. What's your favorite food? Can you tell?
My favorite food is biryani.
Very good, biryani. Where do you usually have it? মানে এটা তুমি এটি কোথায় পেয়ে থাকো? Where do you usually have it?
I have it on my mother's holiday or father's holidays.
Okay. Who prepares it?
Sometimes my mother, sometimes my father.
Okay. How does it taste?
It tastes delicious.
Very good. Okay, dear students, now we section A2, practice and conversation in section A with a friend. মনে করো তুমি একটা ডায়লগ তৈরি করবা, কোথাও বেড়াতে গেলে such as your friend's house, then you found your friend made a good cake. Now you make a sentence. Can you make? Okay, I showed that sample dialogue. Okay, and I read with you read. Okay, yeah, because there are two partners. Only, yes.
Hi Jenny, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. The cake looks delicious.
Thanks. Today is my mother's birthday. I made this cake for her.
Oh, really? How did you make it?
Well, I have taken the recipe from a magazine.
It looks tempting.
Wait, my friend, let my mom come back from office. We will give her a surprise.
But I did not know it. I might bring some flowers to get her.
That's okay. Don't worry for that. You can wish her and she will be happy to see you on our special day.
Very good. Dear students, you at your home you make another dialogue, okay? As like this. Two partner, one you and your younger or elder brother makes same dialogue. Okay, dear students, here look section A3. Section A3. There are some words: smell, hear, look, now, like, and want. You make sentence there. 1, 2, A, B, C, D, E, F. There are many sentences. You add this word and make sentences where it or he, she, look. কোনটা তোমাকে এখানে বসলে ভালো হবে তুমি সেই ওয়ার্ডটা ইউজ করে সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করবা অ্যাট ফার্স্ট আই শো I dash him very well. I dash him very well. I know him very well. Okay, dear students, look, I asked another. You give answer. Okay, here I dash him very well. So we add here no. I know him very well. Look, I know him. এখানে ড্যাশে কি বসালাম no এখানে আছে no know him very well. Okay, next the new dress dash great কি হবে এখানে আছে smell, see, look, know, like and want. তাহলে the
great maybe
A B the new dress dash great the new dress looks very good great হ্যাঁ তাহলে কি looks because dress third person singular সেই জন্য ভার্বের সাথে as বা es. Okay, next Rina. See, Rina dash to collect stamps. Okay, now which word you use here? Rina, we see smell, see, look, know, like, want. Rina
want
no Rina likes পছন্দ করে কি করতে to collect stamps. Okay, and next D I can dash a butterfly near the flowers. Okay, I can want a butterfly near the flowers. Next C D E the flower dash sweet the flower smells very good the flower smells sweet. Thank you. D E F Murad dash to buy a dictionary. Okay, Murad wants to buy a dictionary. Okay, dear students, you complete. There are another pages and you choose which verb you use there. Shikha Banu works or is working is a wireless in a restaurant. Okay, you complete. This is your homework. You completed these pages. Okay, next class we check your homework. Which word you add this places. Okay, and you make another